So let us solve some problems today. Sometimes they give you circuit diagram. This is called circuit. 2 ohms, 2 ohms, 3 ohms, 4 ohms, 4 ohms. Ends are connected to A and B, and here switch and battery. They have given 5A, means ampere of current. They have asked 2 questions. Calculate resistance in the circuit. Total resistance. Total. Total means we cannot add as they are. First you have to see these two are connected in parallel. See. Parallel means you should remember 1 by Rp equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, nothing but 1. Reciprocal of Rp, that is a reciprocal of 1 is 1. R4 and R5, if you watch, they are also in parallel. So again, R dash P, first is Rp, then you go for R dash. If another parallel is there, R2 dash. They will not give. If they give, you must be careful. Again, 1 by 4 is 2 by 4. Reciprocal, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Reciprocal is 2 ohms. Here I have written one sentence. Now these are, these means R dash P, Rp, these are in series with R3. They are now in the same line. Together one, and with this, they are in series. You must write one sentence. Therefore, RS, total resistance in series, we have to add 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6 ohms. Hence, total resistance is 6 ohms. They have asked potential difference in the circuit. Ohm's law, V equals to IR, current is 5 into 630 volts. If you observe carefully this particular problem, I have informed or I have taken 3 informations. One is parallel connection, and the one series connection, third one Ohm's law. So we have solved in series in this problem and parallel, and then what you call Ohm's law. They may ask I, they may give V. They may ask R, they may give V and I. Means by using Ohm's law, you can solve few more variety of problems. Usually these kinds of problems are in common. So in this way, in this problem, I think all of you understood clearly how to solve such a diagram based problems. Diagram based. So this is one. I think you understood. Next, I go to another kind of problem where we can find resistance. For example, resistivity of material is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 10 ohm meter resistivity. Length of that wire material is 2 meter. Radius is 0.02 meter. We have to find out the value of resistance. When problems are given, first you have to write symbol. It is called given. This is having weightage. Half marks will be given. It is a weightage, a symbol you have to write along with SI units. You be careful, they are in meters. They must be in meters. Next, you have to write formula. Systematic way of answering formula. Which formula? R equals to rho L upon A. If you write this, they will give you half marks. Depending upon total marks. Half or 1. Half will be given. Next, substitution. Systematic substitution. Means we have to fill up. R equals to rho is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 10 into length is 2 meter divided by area. It is a pi r square, that is 0.02, 0.02. Area is pi r square. We have to write. Simple mathematics, 1.5 into 2, 15 2s are 30. 1.5 means 3 into 10 raised to minus 10. 0.14, 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits. Total 10 raised to minus 6. Because I have moved point to the right side. When you move the decimal sign to the right side, we have to write a 10 raised to minus power. 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits, total 6. Now we have to multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 1 remains. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. 4 3s are 12. 3 divided by 1 2 5 6. Observe this part carefully. You have to divide by solving on the right side of the paper. Go for such things, when they are given or obtained, try for 2 or 3 decimal places, not more than that, till you get digits. So when you divide this one, we get 0.00238 something. 238 something. So I have stopped by taking 3 digits, 238. Minus 6, when you shift it according to exponents, minus 10 plus 6, that is 10 raised to minus 10 plus 6. Next step, 0.00238, 10 raised to minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4, that is 10 raised to minus 4. Resistance is always in ohms. If you write it till here, it is okay. But one more step, according to scientific notation, which you have learnt in standard 8th. Scientific notation, point should be given after 1 digit. Now I have to move point to the right side. 1, 2, 3. That is 2.38 something, 10 raised to 1, 2, 3. Minus 3, minus 4. 10 raised to minus 7 meter. See, here resistance is a minus. Resistivity is minus. You must remember, for the plus, it is more resistivity, more resistance. Less, it is less. Value is less. Less means more current. So, by this particular R, I have solved one problem. Or they may give resistance, diameter, you divide it by 2, you will get radius. They give length, they ask what you call resistivity. Then we have to multiply RA by L. Such problems already we have solved in the notes. So this is a kind of new problem. If this carries 3 marks, half, fill up to here 1 marks, further with SI unit. further 1 mark. They distribute. Even if the answer is wrong, up to here you are right, you may be deducted by half marks. Totally what I'm telling, don't try to avoid committing mistakes. After solving one problem in the examination, again recheck whether the things are written properly from the question paper, then formula, shifting, perfect, is it there or not? Everything else you have to check. Then you go to the next question because 3 hours 15 minutes duration is there. So much time. You are going to face 80 marks, not 100, 80 out of 80. So for that purpose, diagrams will be asked, definitions, differences, SI units, objective questions, problems usually 6 marks. One from light chapter, one from this chapter. So this is the second problem which I have solved. Okay, next we go to the another kind of problem. I think you have understood. So dear students, we go to the next problem. In this problem, we are going to calculate electricity bill. How to calculate? Two bulbs of 60 watt each are used for 3 hours a day. 2 kilowatt an electric device is used 4 hours a day. Calculate total energy consumed in the month of May, and also calculate electricity bill at rupees 4 per kilowatt hour. 4 per unit kilowatt hour. One sample I have taken, one sample. Answer: power of 2 bulbs. First one. That is 2 into 60. Try to understand 2 bulbs, but we people see only 60. Be careful. Each it is given, not together. One bulb is 60, 2 bulbs means 120. It is watt. Commercial unit actually is not watt, it is a kilowatt hour. So convert this one into kilowatt divided by 1000. Because 1 kilowatt is 1000 watt. So 1 watt is 1 upon 1000. Cancels. 12 by 100 is 0.12 kilowatt. Now we have to calculate energy E1. Formula is P into T. Power is 0.12 and duration, try to understand, duration 3 hours. That is 3. 12 3s are 36. 1 2 digits, I hope 0.36. It is kilowatt hour because it is our result number 1. In the same manner, power of Power of electric device. They may give refrigerator, anything else. I have taken one electric device. Electric device. It is 2 kilowatt. Already given 2 kilowatt. No need to convert into kilowatt. Therefore, I write energy equal to P into T. Power is 2 and time is 4 hours. 2 4s are 8 kilowatt hour. Therefore, I write total electrical energy, total energy consumed per day equals to E1 plus E2. That is 0. I think 36 plus 8. Altogether 8.36 kilowatt hour per day it is. They have asked in the month of May. You must know the days. May is 31. Therefore, total energy consumed in May equals to 8.36 into what you call 31. Here we have to calculate. Sometimes point 16. Total energy consumed in the month of May equals to 8.36 into 31. That is 259.16. It is a kilowatt hour. You have used this much. Further, they have asked the question, calculate electric bill at rupees this. Therefore, last step it is. Electric bill in that month, it is 259.16 into, for 1 kilowatt they have charged 4. I hope you have to multiply by rupees 4. 1036.64. It is rupees. Means in the month of May you will get this much bill. They give you the cost of each. Even they don't, sometimes they don't tell kilowatt hour, they tell, units. But commercial unit is kilowatt hour. So you must know that it should be converted into kilowatt. Don't keep as it is. If they give in kilowatt already, don't convert. Further, you add for 1 day, or you must remember June, July, August, September, October. How many days? October, 28 days, normal. So in this way, you must know the days present in a particular month. This is another kind where you may get such kinds of problems. I have taken here bulbs and one device. They may give you one more device. Then you have to go for E3. Then E1 plus E2 plus E3 kilowatt hour. I think it is understood. This is one way. Then I go to one more problem where we solve another problem by using Joule's law of heating effect. Another kind of problem. Textbook problems we have already solved in our notes and we have explained in our tutorials. Dharwad, Joshi Tutorials. All the problems, all the explanations we have already given. This is to help to you people again, so that you can take use of it. So that problem is heat produced is, say, 200 joules. 200 joules. Resistance of conductor is, say, 50 ohms. And time taken is 4 seconds. Means when current is passed in 4 seconds through the resistance of conductor 50 ohms, this much heat is produced. Calculate potential difference. This is different kind. You have to write first given. 200 joules heat is produced. H equal to 200. Resistance of the conductor R equals to 50 ohms. Time taken is 4 seconds. Calculate PD, that is V. You must remember which formula to be used. H equal to I square RT. H is 200 into I square, R is 50 into 4. Then 54s are 200. 200 I square. 4 5s are 20, that is 200. Therefore, 200 divided by 200 gives you I square. Cancels, you will get to 1. Therefore, square root of 1 is I. That is 1 ampere. It is just an example I am telling you. It is example. If they give how to solve. But he has asked a PD. Therefore, by Ohm's law, V equals to IR. I is 1. R is 50. Therefore, voltage 50 volts. Means we are using Joule's law. So Joule's law, I told, resistance in parallel, resistance in series, Ohm's law I told, and even I have explained what you call R is equal to rho L upon A. That also I told. So with this, students, variety, different kinds of problems are solved. Okay, next we go to another chapter wherein we go for giving you some informations. Okay, thank you very much.